Hello Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, I'm going to do another unboxing of some Sculpey products. I think these are the newest Sculpey products, so I'm very excited to find out what they sent me. So, come on! Let's get these out of the way. Wow. First off, they gave me like a huge block of this chili pepper red. So I'm very excited to see what I can do with this red. It's a huge block. I don't know which projects I'm going to use this on. Next, I'm very excited with this one. They gave me a Sculpey UV Gloss. So I'm not really a user of UV Gloss, but I want to find out also how easy it is to use and how my projects will look using a UV Gloss. So I'll share this along with you as I use it. Wow! So I've got a sample pack of these Premo and Souffle colors. Very soft pastel souffles and very neon Premos. So I'm really also very excited to use this because sometimes it can get very difficult to get these colors. And I'm so happy that Sculpey sent me these new colors. And they're so yummy looking. I'm really excited to find out what I can do with this do with this clay. Wow, I've been actually wanting this and I didn't know if we would have this available in my country. So these are the Sculpey paper transfers or clay transfers in botanical and geometrics. So yeah, I've seen a lot of people use these transfers and they came out with pretty interesting earrings. I have already something in store for these transfers. I want to try these out on some projects already. And yeah, these are everything that I got from Sculpey. I think, again, these are their newest products. There we go. And yeah, so please do watch the next videos because I'm going to see how these products perform on my clay. That is it for today's video. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!